Japan online. Well, one of the most popular videos on my channel is of the Japanese motorcycle game, the Bosozoku, and I've always wanted to make another video and haven't really had the chance until now, until these guys showed up and made a lot of noise. So my night started at the local convenience store following a group of 3 and what mischief they'll get up to. They hung out at this convenience store for a good 20-30 minutes drinking coffee and smoking fags. I thought, they're not going to go anywhere. Went to sleep and then bang, they're ready to rock and roll. I followed them around the town for about 20 minutes, going up and down the streets, listening to them rev the engines, and I thought, come on, when's the action gonna happen? It was like I was following the students, and here is their teacher. Here is the teacher showing the students how it's done. This group was actually from the neighbouring city and had a much larger group with bigger numbers of motorcycles on the road, and they caused havoc. I followed them for about 20 minutes and they just weaved all over the road, revving the engines and slowing down traffic the whole way. In particular, this white van that's just in front of us. The noise in the tunnel was unbearable, but that's exactly what they wanted. Even outside the tunnel, the noise is loud, but that's what they want. They're just weaving all over the road, revving the engines as loud as possible, causing havoc on the road. And as you can see, this white van wants to get past, but no, they're not having any of that. Look at him, look at the guy weaving and kicking his legs. Love it. While I don't condone what they do, I did enjoy watching them trying to anger this driver here by weaving in front of him, slowing him down, revving their engines, and just causing him to get really, really frustrated. And he did. As we go past the local police station, some of them guys, or the gang members, wave their hands towards the police station and rev their engines louder in protest to whatever their thoughts are towards the police and the government. And at about 3 o'clock in the morning, after following these guys for a good 30 to 40 minutes, the night was coming to an end, and but there was one more surprise. These two guys, they noticed I was following them, and they saw that I was a foreigner and pulled right up beside me, huge smiles on their face, and we were driving down the road just talking, and I asked them a few questions, and they says, well, good talking to you, have a good night. And as you can see, they waved and sped off. So it was mind-blowing that they could be so aggressive one moment and then bang, see a foreigner smiling, talking, and just having a good old time, and then off into the distance they go. So it was an amazing experience for me, one that yeah, I'm sure will happen again, but still, hopefully they just don't come past my house revving their engines.